Nashville, Tennessee, where you can see the lightning hitting the top of the building, right? If you look close enough, it'll do it again. There it is, right there. The results of intense thunderstorms. There are reports of trees down and damage to some homes. Some 9,000 customers were without power in the Nashville area at the height of this storm. And lightning strike is said to be the cause of this fire that seriously damaged a daycare center in Mississippi. One of the owners was driving in torrential rain with his son when he saw it happen.
He said, "Dad, look." And I looked back and I saw a bolt. The lightning just went straight down.
No one was here. They had just left 5 minutes before the lightning hit the building. So luckily, blessedly, no one was here.
Wow. We are fortunate.
In Minnesota, it wasn't rain, but snow. Oh, Minnesota, I'm so sorry for the winter you've had. Intense, heavy snow at rates of up to 3 inches an hour, leading to whiteout conditions in the Twin Cities and elsewhere.
We haven't had it so easy here in the New York area as well.
Everyone's just been hammered.
The road's slippery all the way around here. Look, this is Iowa, where snow and ice forced this bus off Interstate 80 west of Des Moines. At least 3 people were hurt in that.
And look at this garage near Detroit, taken down by the weight of all that snow and ice that's fallen for weeks. The owner keeps classic cars there. Those cars were damaged, but luckily no one was hurt.